Hello and welcome back to Swapnil's Analysis. I am Swapnil. Today we are going to discuss Anthony Twite's Simple Poem. The title of the poem itself is Simple Poem. Anthony Twite, he was a 20th century modern poet, post 1950s, Second World War poet. He was born in 1930 and he died recently in April 2021. He was part of the movement poetry that was very dominant in the 1950s, and the leader of movement poetry was a famous poet, Philip Larkin. So, what was the movement poetry? As we all have studied and rightly know, that 1900 to 1950 in the English literature period and specifically in the poetry, the era was very dominated by the various movement, be it like symbolic movement, be like imagist movement, be it like a neo-romantic movement, be it like realism. So there were so many kinds of poetry and so many kinds of trends. Those were dominant between 1900 to 1950. So then came a period, means post World War II period, where people just wanted simplicity. So the movement poetry focused upon the clear thought and the simplicity of the poem, and they very strongly despised any kind of images, any kind of symbolism, or any kind of neo-romantic pattern. So they just wanted poem to be very simple, very specific. And the leader of this movement poetry of 1950s, also known as Yorkshire poetry, another leaders of this movement poetry was a very famous novelist, Kingsley Amis, another poet, Tom Gunn, and many other. And Anthony Twight, he in a way was not the part of that movement poetry, but he was pretty much influenced by the Philip Larkin's poetic style, because Philip Larkin, he was a very great name during the 1950s as far as English literature is concerned, and we all have studied his poem, and his famous poem is On the Church Going. Okay, so this poem, it is of only two stanzas. Anthony Twites, the title of the poem itself is Simple Poem. And here, in a way, in these two stanzas, it seems that he has put forth a kind of a manifesto of movement poetry that was very prevalent and dominant during the 1950s. So the poem is in two stanzas and mostly of 8 lines. So each stanza contains 4 lines in a very simple and lucid way. So let us discuss. So first stanza: I shall make it simple so you will understand. Make it simple will make it clear for me. When you have read it, take me by the hand, as children do, loving simplicity. So here, he is in a way saying that this poem I am going to be make it very simple, in a very simple language. And if you like it, also follow my another poems. That's what means that take me by the hand as children do. Because loving simplicity, because people like simplicity, means children, they like simplicity, because there are so many poems written during 1900 to 1950s. Those were very critical to understand, means the poems written by T.S. Eliot, those poems were very difficult to understand, and many other poems. So here they just wanted to express their feelings, and he has also said that he just write poems. Anthony Twight, he once had said that he writes poetry only to express his emotions, not to hide anything from the reader. So here in this poem, he said that I am going to just write it in a very simple way so that you would understand. And here he is also criticizing and touching the chord of the readers, where many readers, they just want to find the deeper meaning in the poem. Sometimes poems, they are just expression of feelings, expression of thought as it is. Means the words, they carry the literal meaning, not the deeper meaning. But many a times readers, they have become so habitual of deciphering the poems or the interpretation of the poems that they always think that there must be some deeper meaning behind these words or behind these lines. So here he just saying that I am going to write the poem that will be very simple, and that you will understand the poem very easily. As a child, he would also understand this poem. That is what he's saying here. Because we all love simplicity, because that was the motto of movement poetry and movement poets led by Philip Larkin, that they just wanted their poems to be very simple, without any images, without any symbols, without any realism. They just wanted to be as simple as possible, simpler than the romantic poets. So in the second stanza, he says, this is the simple poem, is the first stanza. This is the simple poem I have made. Tell you understand, but when you do, don't ask me in return if I have said all that I meant, or whether it is true. So what is he saying? That this is what I just wanted to tell you, that this is the whole two stanza. It is a poem, and there is no deeper or hidden meaning. That is what he's saying, that this is the simple poem I have made. Means this poem, simple poem, entitled simple poem, that this is the simple poem I have made, and tell you understand, that you have understood it, I hope. But when you do not ask me in return if I have said all that I meant, because there is nothing, no meaning, nothing in the poem. He just wanted to say what he wanted. He had just expressed his feelings about the simple poem, and therefore he's asking the readers that don't ask me in return whether have I said the thing I wanted, or is there any hidden meaning behind it, or whether whatever this poem is, whether it is true. This is really what you wanted to say. So here, in the post Second World War era, people, they just wanted very simplicity. They just means there was a movement poetry. Means in the novel there was a different movement, in the drama there was also a different movement, but in the poetry, the title of the movement is itself a movement poetry, which focused upon simplicity, which did not include images, symbolism, and realism. They just wanted to be as simple as possible. So Anthony Thwaites, he has written this poem entitled Simple Poem, and there is nothing in this poem. He just criticizing the reader's point of view, where we always wanted to find a deeper meaning, that there must be some deeper thought, there must be some deeper meaning behind these simple lines. But as far as this poem is concerned, the simple poem, there is nothing deeper in this poem. He just wanted to express his thoughts. If you have liked this video, please follow me on my channel. Thank you for watching.